Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a pickup? This is a super clean one. This is the 2016, the Ram 2500. Stock number is T20628A. I'll show you the exterior condition on your virtual video walk around. Imperfect video up close and personal, allowing you just to see this truck in a little bit different form compared to static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. Of course, it does have the tonneau covering, tow package, as you can see. And we're going to show you the exterior, making our way up the driver's side exterior. You're traveling with friends or family and maybe need to have a comfort and style and put them in the back. Well, guess what? Look at all that legroom right there. And absolutely an impeccable interior condition. Moonroof, of course, as you can see. Lots of legroom. Very comfortable experience on a drive in this truck. And as you can tell, the interior front seat is absolutely in the same condition. No rips, no tears, no stains. This truck will not last long. It's got the Cummins motor, of course. For more information, call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down in person. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.